Welcome back to the basic sentence structure part 2. So today we'll be talking about question and question words. We often start questions with words like who, what, where, when, why, and how. They help us ask for more information in English. Questions with auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are also helping verbs. To form questions using auxiliary verbs like is, have, can, or will, we will switch the subject and the verb. For example, she is coming will become is she coming? In the present and past simple tenses, we use do, does, or did to ask questions. For instance, you like coffee will now change to do you like coffee? The second one is he went to the store. It will now become did he go to the store? There are different types of simple sentences. The first type is just a subject plus verb. For example, he sleeps, birds fly. Just simple and clear. Another type use the be verb plus an adjective or noun, like she is happy, they are students. They is the subject, are is the be verb, and student is the noun. Let's talk about a simple but powerful tip in writing English sentences. Note that every sentence must start with a capital letter and end with punctuations. Punctuations like full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. More so, every sentence needs a subject and a verb. Make sure your ideas are clear and simple, and always check for errors in grammar and punctuations. That's it for this lesson on basic sentence structure. I want you to practice for me your own positive, negative, and question sentences. Remember, the more you practice, the better it gets. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and join me in the next video. Bye.